Severe storms with torrential rains, strong winds, and big hail settled in the central and western sectors of Córdoba, with particular force over Los Riads, Los Molinos, and Villa General Belgrano. In Villa General Belgrano, the storm caused flooded streets, power outages, and overflowing streams, with the waters entering houses and forcing more than 270 people to evacuate. In the meantime, in some departments, the hail reached the size of a fist, causing damage to cars and roofs of houses. All but one of Mongolia's 21 provinces are experiencing extreme weather called zo, which is a Mongolian term to describe a severely cold winter, when many livestock die because the ground is frozen or covered by snow. Around 90% of the Mongolian territory is covered with snow of up to 37 centimeters, or 1.2 feet thick, severely impacting the livestock sector, which is a central pillar of the country's economy. Torrential rain fell on Cimahi city, in West Java province, resulting in flooding, with water levels recorded as high as 1.5 meters, or almost 5 feet. 2 residents' houses were destroyed, and dozens of others were damaged, after the fence, dividing sports facilities and residential areas, collapsed due to flash floods from the overflowing river. Many roads were closed due to waterlogging, while a number of motorbike drivers were almost swept away by the strong water currents. An EF0 tornado touched down in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, damaging boats and some homes, and downing power lines. No injuries have been reported, while the damage from the storm appears to be minor.
I'm so happy it's going away. Oh, just flip that ball.
A red alert was declared for the commune of Copiapo, in the Atacama region, due to the development of a wildfire with extreme behavior that was generating an imminent threat to the population and nearby homes, due to its direction and distance.
Ay, señor.
Ahí estaban diciendo que en la parcela no sé cuánto necesitaban agua para los bomberos y de las llamas se ven gigantes más alto que la casa.
The wave of bad weather severely affected western Greece, Thessaloniki, and the Attica region with Athens, with stormy winds, heavy rain, and hail. Some schools in the northern capital Thessaloniki were closed due to the damages caused by the storm to their facilities. Power outages were reported in parts of some cities, like Patra, while the ports of Piraeus and Rafina were closed. In Pyrgos, a tornado passed through the populated area, tearing off the roofs of houses and buildings, and causing material damage. A major landslide hit Pasanggrahan village in the Subang Regency of West Java province. As a result of the disaster, 2 people lost their lives, 11 more were injured, and 300 other people were displaced. The landslide has damaged several buildings, fishing ponds, and rice fields. Italy has been engulfed by severe weather over the past few days, with heavy rainfall, snow and strong winds, causing widespread disruptions and damage. The conditions led to a tragic avalanche in Verbano Cusio Orsolo province, claiming the lives of 2 individuals. The avalanche struck at a height of approximately 2.2 kilometers, or 7,200 feet, in the Formasa Valley, a known spot for its scenic beauty and mountainous terrain. A highly impactful winter storm system has unleashed dangerous blizzard conditions in parts of the central United States, producing notable snowfall across more than half a dozen states. A wave of storms closed schools and highways and left drivers stranded in frigid temperatures, while also lashing parts of the South with hail, severe flooding, and tornado threats. Heavy snow and powerful winds stretched from the Texas Panhandle to Nebraska, where authorities had already responded to dozens of weather-related incidents on the roads. 1 person was killed and multiple injured in a huge pileup, involving at least 30 vehicles, on the I-40 highway, west of Tucumcari, in New Mexico. Following heavy rain over the weekend, major flood warnings have been issued across Victoria State, prompting residents of Yei, Seymour, and Rochester to evacuate, as authorities and emergency services respond to widespread flooding and record rainfall. The state's north town of Rochester received about 125 millimeters, or 4.9 inches of rain, breaking a 120-year daily rainfall record, while residents in several Yei streets were told it was too late to evacuate and were advised to shelter in the highest location possible. Across the state, there are widespread road closures, with numerous homes also affected. The towns of Guacapas and Talapampa, in the department of Lluvia, in Salta province, were affected by the strong storms, leading to the overflow of the Guacapas River and forcing about 30 families to evacuate. In total, some 60 homes were affected, while the situation also caused the hospitalization of 4 people and losses in crops and animals.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Special thank you to my stunning patrons, Hagop Sargisian, Michael Joseph Wilhelm, Dave and Alana, web designer Ganesh Vad, John and Claire Heath, Adam Gareth and April, and of course Leslie Sales. Thank you very much, guys.